If you guys want to see me make over Kate Middleton's hair, then definitely watch today's video. Hey guys, Steve, the Salon Guy here, and in today's haircut makeover series, I'm creating a new look for the Duchess of Cambridge, Kate Middleton. And I've gotten a lot of requests for this. She's a very, very amazing woman and very popular as well. So she's always had some of that kind of longer length haircut. I've never really seen her in any short hair, any sort of like bobs or anything like that. She always looks great with her long hair, as you can see in some of the photos that I'm showing. A very, classic, beautifully layered look. So what I want to do is I want to really take up the length quite a bit, and I'm going to be doing on this mannequin right here. And I'm also keeping in mind kind of her face shape, a little bit of that kind of square jawline in through here. She's a very strong jawline. So we're going to create a side parting in through here, create some really fun, soft layers. It's going to be a whole new look. So we're going to cut this, follow along, we're going to speed through it, and then we'll check it out at the end. Ladies and gentlemen, I now present to you the new Duchess of Cambridge, Kate Middleton. All right guys, so here we have the finished look, and I think it looks incredible. Maybe one day she'll fly me over to England to do it. That would be nice. But let's break down the haircut, what I did. So I started off in the back by creating a nice square, kind of blunt line, and the way I cut this was very unique with my comb. I didn't use my fingers at all, really. I just used the comb and the scissors. Then I worked my way through out here with a kind of a triangular shape all the way in through this side as well. And then I started to layer everything, pulling it straight out from the head, and then I held everything horizontally out from the head to kind of cross-check to make sure everything was balanced. That also helps create some nice movement through it. Then I did my traditional kind of connection where I cut the top, connecting the back into the top, so it's a very nice seamless flow. Held everything straight up from the head on all sides. Again, did that horizontal sectioning throughout the sides here to make sure it's all cross-checked and balanced. And then I blow dried it, added some flips and some movement to it, and here we have the finished result. All right, YouTube, thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know if you have any requests in the comments below, and if there's any sort of weird morphing going on in these makeovers. We're trying very hard to morph the face onto the mannequin head, so I apologize if there's like 4 eyes and like 6 ears or something, but just bear with us. We're trying to perfect it. But anyway, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell so you're notified of when the videos go live. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.